Hi, good afternoon. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Dr. Colleen Mohn. I'm the new owner of Health Center Dentistry here in Midland, Texas.
Great. So tell me a little bit about how you were introduced to MB2.
So when I was getting ready to graduate dental school, I was looking at opportunities and I heard about this one here in West Texas. There was an associate position open. So I went and interviewed and found out that it was actually the owner was the brother-in-law of one of my friends I went to dental school with. So we immediately had that connection. When I shadowed at the office, it was really busy. There was opportunity for mentorship there, both the business side and clinically. So I felt like it was a really great opportunity for me coming out of school to gain a lot of experience. So I decided to move to Midland, Texas, pick up and move here without really knowing anyone. So that was a big leap of faith for me, but I'm so glad I did it.
Yeah, how did you feel about moving to Midland, Texas?
Well, if no one knows, it's kind of an oil town. There's not that much scenery here, but the community is really lovely. A lot of young people come here, engineers for oil companies and things like that. So it actually was pretty easy for me to meet people in the area. And I also was able to meet my boyfriend, who now is my fiance as of a couple days ago, so I have the bling.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about the process of being an associate and stepping into an ownership role.
Sure. So I've been an associate for 2.5 years. When I was an associate at the office, I both had business mentorship, like I mentioned, from Dr. McBride, who was the owner of a couple offices in the area. And then his wife is also a dentist, an associate at one of the offices, and she was amazing clinically and really was able to help me come out of my comfort zone and really gain a lot of clinical skill. So for me, that was really important right out to gain some confidence. And so now 2.5 years later, I felt comfortable enough to go ahead and step into the ownership role and have my own office. And so I ended up going from having a 5-year plan of being an owner to accelerating that thanks to MB2 into a 2.5-year plan. So I feel really fortunate to have been able to be where I am right now and to achieve my goal.
Absolutely. Congratulations
Thank
again,
you.
Doc. So tell me why this office?
So I love this office. I had the opportunity to either do a startup or go into private practice acquisition. And so when I came here and met the doctor who was looking to phase out soon and met the team, it really felt like home to me. It's a very patient-centered practice, so you get the chance to form a lot of relationships. And also, the type of dentistry I wanted to be doing. So that's why this is something I'm really passionate about, and I feel happy to, have been able to have my dream office.
That is so great.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have anything else, Doc, that you want to add for us?
Sure. I'd like to say that MB2 makes dreams come true, because that's exactly how I feel, just coming out as an associate and being where I am right now. This is my passion. This is what I was hoping to achieve, and so MB2 really helped make that happen for me. So I think anyone who's either an associate or wants to be an owner and take this step, definitely you have the support there with MB2, and you have the resources to feel comfortable and to learn a lot. So I would recommend anyone to, follow the same path if possible.